on Solana. I found Ethereum, Solana, and swap this first Bitcoin AI to see how much we get. It's saying we got over 649,162 ETH. That could be worth over $1,189,956,000. So all you gotta do is wait for the price to update what this actually is worth. Okay. And you can see here, I sold this. Now, some of these are new. They're very new, so I bought them while they're very new. You can see how low the price is. So I sold it. And you see the difference. So I'm going to go to that coin. So here's the coin. It's called Ethereum Solana. Right? 3 zeros right now. So the price has to update on this network. So when it update, original price, I'm gonna sell. All right, so you can see it's 489 right now. See $4.96. Wait for they update the price. Here I got Ethereum base. I just purchased it and it's gonna load into my balance. Okay, so we're testing out this new Ethereum base. There's another Ethereum base, so we saw this just to get secure before the price goes up. So we scroll down here, you can see I just swapped my Bitcoin Cash, $3. Got me over 1,422,000 of this ETHB. Now the logo is going to show once the market cap builds up. So let's go back to see the balance. All right, so now we're going to go back in to here and boom, it's in the balance. All right, this is how low this price is. All right, so you can see here there's 110. It's about $4.50 for 1 million. All right. So you can see there's January. Now this is February. Okay. And these are news. Okay.